This conference will
Guys,
now be
don't
recorded.
worry, we'll be cover the every component. When you find out this topic is not completed, then only you can come to me. Okay. We have so many topics are pending for some batches. Some batches are already completed, I know. Okay. But I will be cover the each topic. Don't worry. Okay. UI macros, okay, no problem, Seven. UI macros actually we can use in service portal, that is different codes, no problem. So I can give the different direction about the UI macros where we can use UI macros. Just how can follow the product documentation to implement UI macros. That is also a simple topic. Okay. And next one. So today topic is report. So first of all, you would like to know what is report, guys. A report is completely comes under admin topic. Tell me guys, what is report? Reports and dashboards. What is report? Service now they're going to be
Providing
creating a lot of
data.
records. Yes. So our customers are going to creating a lot of records into incident, problem, change, and etc. Other tables, right? So when your delegates, managers, team leads, and other responsible person, they want to see the data in visualization manner. That moment they can generate the report. So report always can be determining display the same data in different manner, not as a regular manner, right? That moment we can create different types of reports. Those reports we can be able to automate it as well. What is the automated? I can schedule the report. For example, just I'm the manager of network department. Just I want to know total how many incidents are created. Those are belongs to category of network. So daily the report will be generated automatically. That will be scheduled and automatically the same report can share it to respective people. Okay, now let's start working with reports. Reports is very pretty much simple application or module, and go to the reports and getting started automatically it will be navigated to product documentation to explore more into the reports application. And next one is so view and run. Before that, go to my book. Sorry, just a second. Reports. So what is a report? ServiceNow platform can be provide reporting capabilities that we can create and sharing reports to the define the current state of the instance data, such as how many open instances of each priority there are and how many inactive tickets. Reporting functionality is available by default for all the tables. So when you are using the report application or purchasing ServiceNow platform, no need to go for any like business intelligence tools like Power BI, Tableau, and ClickView, ClickSense. So many reporting tools are there in the market, right? Okay, no need to go for any like reporting tools while generating any report into ServiceNow. ServiceNow platform also providing the own reporting capability that is called report application. It's going to be offered these other types of reports: list report, bar charts, pie charts, Pareto, histogram. We have so many types of reports. So report generation, report creation will be the same. but maybe report visualization may be changed based on the client requirement. So the respective people can create the report. Someone they don't know how to create the report, you have to guide them. So this is the way how to generate the report and schedule the report. So now I'm going to show how to create new report in ServiceNow. Let's navigate to reports and click on view and run. So when we click on that review and run module, it will be show all the existing reports. So when you want to create the new report, go to create new, and providing the name of the report, incidents by contact type. Okay, now I want to group by all the incidents. So how many records are created with each contact? Like how many members are created incident through email? How many incidents are created through mail, like a phone? How many incidents are created through self-service application? And similarly, how many incidents are created through walk-in? And next one is we have to select the source type. So now I want to generate the report through my ServiceNow table. The data source should be always table only. And where you want to generate the report, so I want to generate the report for incident table. That respective table we can select over here and go to next, and incidents by contact type. So now I want to show the all the reports. So when which type of report you want to generate, that may be bar chart or pie chart, pie standard donuts, time series, depends on your client requirement. You can select respective report type and move to next. And then next one you can configure the group by. So which one you have to group it like a contact type. And if you want to configure any stack by other details, suppose if you want to display the data label, so by default the data labels are not displayed. If you want to display any data labels top of the like a bar, so you have to enable the display. And always we should get aggregation nothing but a minimum, maximum, average, count. So maximum we're getting the count of the each contact type. Click on next. So how many incidents are created to phone? 41 tickets, and empty 24, nothing selected, self-service 4, and email 1. So these are the data labels. So when you want to display the data labels, and you can be able to change the some settings as well. And go to general tab, and a chart color, depends on the chart color, we can select the use color palette and click on the set palette. That may be blue, green, dark light, depends on the requirement. And display data labels. Yes, I want to display the data labels in where, in the middle of the bar. So you can save it. You can see the updates in your report every time. 41, 24. These all are data labels. Depends on the client requirement, we can configure it. Custom chart size. This is the default chart size. If you want to change any chart size like large, medium, small, you can select it. That depends on the client requirement. Size of the chart, like a show chart title, it's report only. Instant by category type, it's a chart title, and the title should be like a title size 16 characters, 16 pixel, and the color also you can be able to set it. And so what title, it's maybe horizontal, or like you see this one title, left or right, top, bottom, depends on the requirement, you can select it. Okay, access not required maximum, like a title size would be 12 pixels, or else you can give the 16 pixels. See, like a title pixel will be changed. Okay. Okay, next one is opposite display grids, and these are the display grids, and you will get the grids as well. So these are the grids. Okay, grid format depends on the client requirement. You can enable the remaining properties and you can check it out. Once you created any report, so what we have to do first thing, that report should be shared to respective people. So before that, first of all, we have to save it and go to sharing and click on sharing. So when you created any report, immediately we have to define this report should be displayed to only me. Me means not myself. Who is creating this particular report? The report is only visible to only the person who is creating the specific report. Me nothing but current login user. So when you want to display this report to everyone, you can select everyone. And so which if you require any roles, so who is the person have the specific role, only those people will get this report. And when you want to display this report to any specific user and group, that the group or user we have to select. Okay, so in this case I'm selecting everyone, not require any role, and it make it empty and click on OK, and everybody will be able to see this report. After save this report and apply the condition, by default it won't visible. What is the reason behind it? So once you are created the report and apply the condition, first of all immediately we have to publish it. But what about publish option? Publish option is not visible to developer by default. So in this case we have to enable some property. So where is publish option? So from quick version, so publish option is not visible to us like a developer by default. In this case, you have to enable a property. So I'm going to Google. Publish option is not visible to reports. In this case, guys, you can follow that like a community site. Please do remember, guys, it's very, very important. Example, you are ServiceNow developer, recently joined in the organization. Client has assigned one story or two stories to any developer. When you are unable to working on any particular story, first of all, you can analysis yourself, even unable to do it, and then you can go to where community site. Community site is very useful to all ServiceNow developer. You will be able to get any kind of information, any kind of solution. See why it's not visible, like a visible that it's not visible the publish option. See, I'm unable to see the publish option to publishing the report. So like I see, it's not visible, right? So we have to enable that property glide report published reports. So without publish the report, it won't visible to any customer. Take that property. So how can you enable the property and open the duplicate tab? And search in global search. Yes, one result for my property. Directly we can switch it to property, system property, open property. By default, the published option not visible to any developer or IT user. So value is by default false. So when you make it true and update the property, now you can be able to see the report like a published option, not report. And once again, you can reload the browser. Right. So I have, in case if you want to add one more extra condition. So this moment it is showing all the incidents, how many incidents are created with each like contact type. So in this moment, I want to show only active tickets. So where we can apply the other condition. So go to condition builder, and now I'm going to apply one more condition called only display the active tickets. This is related list condition not required conditions, and where is the run button? Yes, all active equal to true, and save it. You can apply the condition, one can save it. I think there is no save option here. Okay, and this is extra condition, right? So now it is showing only active tickets and which are created in each contact type. Okay, so if you want to create more conditions, you can apply the more conditions. And now we can go to sharing. So by default, published option is not visible to any customer. So when you enable the property, then we can see published option. So once you publish this like a article, then only it will be visible to our customers. So what is the report I have created? And again go to here, incidents by contact. So then again you can save it and go to navigator to impersonate with any ITL user. Now ITL user will be able to see the report. So without publish, the report is not visible to any customer. For example, now I'm impersonated with ITL user. ITL user try to open that particular report, and they can go to view and run and see all the reports, and go to all reports. Just they can search with incidents by contact type. Just wait, reload the browser. This is already published, and save, and this is sharing to not, it's showing that only me, this report is visible to only administrator. So now let me select everyone, and it's make it public. Okay, then click on okay, make it public, then click on okay. Now ITL user able to see my report. Once again you can refresh the browser and go to all and search your report. Instead by what happened, saved, right? Sharing, and everyone I have selected, right? Let's make it public. Click on OK and save it. So anybody have ITL role, only those people can see the report, everyone, and save it. When I select that report visible only, specific group, sharing, make it public, and click on OK. Save it. Have selected specific group database member. Report visible only. Okay, no problem. Let me check it out. It's not error message, I think. Share it. Everyone, public, save it. And save it like published. I think before make the changes, we need to unpublish it first of all. First of all, let me unpublish it. And save it. What was the problem? Report visible only to a specific user or group. Let me check in UI. Go to all. Incidents by. Incidents by. Incidents by priority and older. Just wait. What was the wrong? This is the first time I'm facing error. Reports visible only as a specific group or person. Okay, let me check it. Sharing in a group I have selected. Already add group also. Align motor. Only this specific user can be able to see the report. Save it. Let's check actual user. So incidents by. Okay, I can proceed with align motor. Align motor trying to access. Alan Motor, I think, is the end customer. You don't have any permission to see the report. So when you go to sharing, so when customer is created any report, that report wants to the only the person who is created, then you can set the me, and everyone is make it public. So automatic display to all the users, maybe end user or end user, any other users as well. And only specific people they want to see the report. So that role we have to assign it, and only specific group and people they have to select it. Then we can select in the group. Might be some error in that instance level, guys. Don't worry. And next one is schedule. So what about like a dashboard? Suppose I have generated a report. This report I want added to my dashboard. So click on that add to dashboard, and which dashboard you want to add it. It's ITL or administrator or end user. That respect to homepage we can select it and add here and click on add here. So automatically the specific report can add it to ITL homepage. My new report, right? Previously they have added so many reports. So when you want to remove this particular report from ITL homepage, directly we can click on that. Automatically, the widget will be removed from my homepage. Okay. So this is the way how to add the dashboard. Next one again back to reports, and we want run incidents by contractor type. Incidents by contract type, and open the contract type incidents like report. And next one, how you can export this report to any file, like only it can be supporting PDF file. Suppose I have generated one report, my manager is asking to export it to PDF file. That may be landscape or portrait, and you can select the portrait or landscape and export it. The entire report will be exported to PDF file. This PDF file you can download it, and while sending the mail to your manager, you can attach this particular report in PDF format. So here we will get all the details about the report. What is the report? When you run the report last time, and what is the table? The report is going to generating a new table, query condition, group by. You can see all the details in the report. And next one is, so when you don't want to show the any like this report to any person, so we need to unpublish it. Okay, so when you unpublish the report, it won't visible to any customer. For example, one report is no longer used by the people. Okay, so that report you want to unpublish it. Once you unpublish the report, it won't visible to any customer. So same report, when you want to disable to customer, then we need to publish it, and then we can share the apply the share condition. And last one is schedule. It's very, very important. As for the schedule time, the report will be generated and sending the report to respect to customer. Okay, schedule. And first of all, let me check that GMT time zone. For example, daily this report I want to trigger and send this report to respect to person. Like the time zone is GMT. So what is the time zone of GMT now? GMT time 4:19 a.m. Now time is 4:19. I'm going to schedule this report and schedule, and this report should be sent to whom? Add your personal email address, ServiceNow 2244 @gmail.com. ServiceNow 2244 @gmail.com. And when you want to run this report weekly, what is the day today? As for the GMT time, it's Friday morning 4:19 a.m. right? Weekly I want to run Friday, and morning 4:23, and so the report doesn't contain any like records, so I don't want to send the report, just you can omit it. If you want to apply any conditional statements, not required. And subject, what is the subject you want to send it, same incidents by contact type, and provide the more details. The report needs to be sent in which format, that may be PDF format or PNG format, and a landscape and portrait, depends on the client requirement. So if you want to zip out the, suppose this file contains a number of like pages, so that a file you want to zip out, enable the checkbox, not required, leave it out. So while executing this report, sending the report, I want to include the one more report also. So that report you can select it. Okay, this will be running. So every day morning at 12 like a 4:23, and meanwhile go to mail properties, email properties, right? Email properties. You have to enable the checkboxes. Email sending enabled, email receiving enabled. Save it. Okay, saved successfully. Now what is the time zone of GMT? 4:22. When it will be run? 4:23, right? Wait. So based on the scheduled time, automatically the report will be triggered, sent to like recipient. So I have given my personal mail address. Once again, you can go to report and we want run and move to my report. Incidents by contact type. Open it. So when you schedule the report, automatically showing us the report has been scheduled. See, it right mark will be right. It's scheduled. So this is the way how to share the report, schedule the report, add this report to dashboard, export to PDF, and publish it and unpublish it. So when you go to like information, so you can see all the information about the report. So when the report was run and type of report, so who is the responsible person to get the report, users group, and created in who is created by this report and last modified. All the details we can see over here. Okay, so when you want to copy this report link, okay, click on that, copy the report link. So click on here, update and insert trade light. Where is the copy link of report? When you modify any changes, first of all, we need to save it. And then go to style. You can save it once again and run the report. So why it's unable to see that report? I think it's unpublished, right? Where is the report link? So when you want to send this report link, okay, so we need to send the report link, but report link is not visible by default. So when you publish the report, then only we can see the report link. So copy that report link. So when you share to someone else, they can directly open the report in. Clear, guys? And meanwhile, let me open my instance, like sorry, my mail address, whether it is sent email or not. Gmail. Yes. So IT service desk is sent by contact. Okay. So customer directly can be able to open the report and check all the details. So this is the way how to create the report and schedule the report, publish the report, export it to PDF, and add it to your homepage. It's very simple topic, but very important. Guys, any questions still now in reports? Any questions? Arvind, Deepika, Harinath, Hemant, Imanshu?
Srinivas, one question, like suppose on a daily basis, if they want these reports to be sent, like with the update, suppose few incidents are closed, so that report will also will automatically get updated
Yes,
based on the,
absolutely. Yes.
okay,
So at particular time, the report will be triggered. So when the report is triggered, so what are the conditions are applied? So all the conditions are applied to respective table, then get the data, generate the report, share to the person.
okay, okay,
Up to date, guys. Up to date. Okay.
okay.
Okay, guys. This is about the report and the dashboards we can discuss tomorrow. Okay, dashboards, and then we can move to schedule jobs. So without report knowledge directly, we can't working with schedule jobs. That's why I covered the report first. So practice well.
Uh,
Don't create the n number of reports, guys. It's a time-waste process. We have so many reports, right? Time series, Pareto, histogram, bar charts, pie charts. You can create only one or two reports just to get the idea. Don't creating the n number of reports with type all the type of reports. It's a time-waste process. Okay. Yes, someone try to
uh,
ask
can
the
we
question.
can we do with scripting also?
Report application, right?
Yes, sir.
No, no, it's not required any scripting to generate the report. It's a complete out of the box.
And which is the most frequently used format in the reports, like in the real time?
Maximum bar charts, pie charts, Pareto, histogram, and some different like type of reports. So clients may be asking any kind of report that maybe does like that doesn't matter. Okay, just we have to guide them which type of report you want to generate. As per the requirement, you can apply the condition and generate the report. They can be able to understand the sometimes time series. So we can't understand the reports. Okay, no need to understand the reports. Okay, ourselves. Just we have to guide. Just we have to generate it, and how can you set it, schedule it? How can you unpublish it? That's our main responsibility. I don't know the time series. How they can find out and understand the time series report type of report. Some little bit difficult to understand the time series of report. Okay, clear guys. Okay, to end of class today. See you tomorrow. Nice day. Take care.